Alrighty, so we've got this hinge here that the screws have been completely stripped out of. Now this is just a light duty interior door. The upper hinge is stripped out completely as well, as you can see all right in here. So I'm going to show you how to fix this using a pretty simple technique. I've got some wood doweling. Now lots of people like to use, you can use toothpicks, you can use golf tees, you can use lots of different things. I prefer to use a softwood as opposed to a hardwood because it's actually going to adhere better. So if we get something that's somewhat similar in dimension size, see how I can fit that in there? And it actually goes in about that far. Okay. It's going to actually go into each one of those. I'm going to get some wood glue. You can use whatever brand of wood glue you like. And some flush nippers. We'll have this thing fixed right up. Okay, so we just fill these holes right up. Okay. Have a little towel here for cleaning up any extra. Then I'm basically just going to shove that right down in there. Okay. And then come right in. Cut it twice maybe. Or I'll just pull it out. Cut it. Jam it back in there. There we go. Flush mount. You want to make sure that nothing's sticking out after you're done. Because then it'll prevent the hinge from sitting flat. So the glue is actually kind of like my marker. There we go. Jam that back in there. Jam that back in there. Then we'll actually grab the screws. Probably have to hold this door up just a little bit because there we go. All right, there we go. Get your screws. And this type of repair will work on either side as long as there's enough wood to hold it. Look at that. Just like that. You can hear that's actually impacting pretty good, so it's got a super solid grip on that. There we go. Hinge repaired. That glue will dry. The glue, all it really does is just kind of help bond things later. Just helps the fibers of the wood bond together. It's not a necessity. You could do it dry. You don't need the wood glue and you don't have to use wooden doweling. I just find that this is the easiest, cleanest, and seems to last the longest for me. The wood glue soaks into the fibers of the wood and basically makes it as strong as it could possibly be because wood glue is actually stronger than the wood itself. So for more information, check out the website below. Wayne's Lock Shop, we strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high-security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com.